Welcome to a new UPbuild video. In today's episode we're going to be continuing work on our classic Mini Mark 1 conversion. Right then, fantastic. So that's the Mini all unwrapped. That's great.
That's great. Back out of hibernation.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Right then, so as you'll have noticed, if you've followed us on Instagram, we've picked up another little early Mini shell, like car. So we're gonna get sorted out and go and pick that up now.
Yeah. So we're just gonna head off now and get it.
Yeah, we'll get hitched up and we'll go and pick that up with that. More on that later. Anyway, let's go and get it picked up. Fantastic. Right, let's get this shell loaded up. Right, there we go. That's us all loaded up. Right, get the shell back home, and then we'll get it.
Get that shell down now.
Oh, yeah, we'll get it all braced up, get the cant rails out of it, and have a bit chat about what we're going to do with it. Crack on.
Right now, as you can see, we've come up with a Mark II shell here.
What on earth are we doing with this? We better give you a bit of an explanation as to what's going on.
There was a chap down in York had
Yes,
this,
Daniel, should I say?
Daniel, and we went down and got it off him.
We did.
But what we wanted for is the cant rails. The cant rails is in this to put into a Mark 1 build we're building.
Exactly, yeah. So Mark II shells the same as a Mark 1, so we just want those panels. You cannot buy them, so we want to obviously get a hold of those panels so we can fit them into our Mark 1 conversion to make it as close as we can to Mark 1. But yeah, so obviously a huge thanks to Dan for helping us out with finding the shell. Because like I said, we can't buy the panels, those cant rails, so we've managed to get the whole shell, which there was a load of other bits as well, which he's helped us out with headlining and other parts that we kind of need to help us along. So yeah.
Yeah, there's quite a bit of gear we've got off them.
And it helped us out massively, so huge thanks to Dan. But Daniel, I mean, sorry. And so, what are we going to do with this anyway? Once we've kind of getting the bits out of it, that's what we're kind of working on. So we just thought we'd have a bit of fun with it. So any ideas, chuck them in the comments. Let us know what do you think we should do. We kind of like the idea of doing a body swap, don't we? Doing a body swap.
Yeah, putting this onto another car.
Yeah.
Onto another.
Never going to go on the road, obviously. It's just something just to, chuck around the track. I have a bit of fun with, just a sort of little side project. As though we haven't got enough. Anyway, I'll show you a bit close up around the shell so you can see how rough it is, because it's pretty rough.
As you can see, we're
Get
put a bit bracing into it to keep it together.
That's what we're going to do now, yeah. So we're going to put a load of bracing through the whole of the inside, and then we've got some casters, some big casters, which we're going to use just to sit it on, and then we can just wheel the shell around, and then when we're waiting on parts for the Mark 1 build, or you know, if we've got 5 minutes here or there, we might pull the shell down, do a bit to it. Anyway, there's a quick explanation as to what's going on. So what we'll do now is we'll chuck the camera on the tripod, stick it on the time lapse, and we'll stick a bit of bracing in it and get the shell flipped over.
We'll keep you in the picture. We'll keep
you posted.
What we're doing.
Smashing. Crack on. I mean, whatever it does, it goes, then it can't be helped. What's that sign? Does it mean?
Yeah.
That's
Alright, this is the base, I think.
So,
tip it so far and we'll see what we're on there.
Are you alright there, John?
Yeah.
Get it on, trying to find something to hold on.
Aye, I've got underneath the window.
Okay.
Did we drag it back this way?
Yeah, we'll back, we'll back. 2 seconds again, Dad. I'm just going to stick the mat back under again.
You want to tip it a bit?
That's alright there, that's alright.
Back a bit further again, do that.
Now then, I wonder how strong our wheels are going to be, because we're going to put a lot of weight
Well,
on
we'll
them.
find out, don't we?
I'm just thinking we'll put down on the wheels. I'm just wondering whether we'll be able to maybe like sort of lift, you know, we'll get take a bit of the weight on the underneath the door there.
And maybe I can get a hold of it from the window when I get.
Well, that's all sticking out of the window. Right.
We'll get it now.
That wheel there, I'll spin that wheel down the other way just so.
Yeah.
I think it'll be alright. It's maybe alright the way it is, that. It's maybe alright the way it is.
Let's go up and straight away. Find it.
Okay. Your little beauty is on its wheels.
That wheel's off the ground.
Is it? That's alright. Somebody goes. Yeah. Okay. I'll go for a drive.
back into it when we did.
I'll have a go. You take much pushing up the pot, straight up,
You know, you wouldn't think it'd been pushed down. You wouldn't think it'd been pushed down. That's right, you. There's just a little bit there. There's just a little bit there. In fact, that might push up enough with your hand. Then. Just give it a pop your back of your hand. What's wrong with that? Brand new. Brand new one.
Lovely, man.
I bet it'll pop up all right, like. We just have the crease at the front there. I was thinking about like, but it's come not too bad.
Yeah.
Go up near enough.
Is that alright?
Yeah, I'd sound that.
Right. Well, the wings back on.
Wing in the back end back on, eh?
Okay, what's that?
We get the back end welded on, the front end welded on, then that's it. Look good.
Put them bits back on. Right then, fantastic. So we've got all our mini shell all braced up now, as you can see.
Got it all braced up now, right inside here. You see it all braced up. We've got the little wheels on it now. Now we can move it now from garage to garage. We can take it into a storage garage and fetch it back again. And then we get started getting the cant rails out of it.
Yeah, so that's going to be the next bit. So obviously we're gonna put the old doors back on it and put the bits back on it just to kind of make it into sort of a bit of a complete shell to move around. But yeah, so as my dad says, the next step is going to be taking the cant rails out, which we're using on the Mark 1. So we can kind of get on with that.
Yeah, we'll get the Mark 1, get it sorted out the Mark 1, get the cant rails into that one next.
Exactly, crack on with that.
That's what we want this for.
So that's going to be
this one's here for.
So that's going to be in the next episode. So anyway, don't forget.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Smashing. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.
Press that button. Thumbs up.